you like surprises, well, this one is a massive surprise. 3 at 1 Benambra Street in Mornington. It's a cracker of a renovated 3-bedroom property, and there is a really cool surprise. So go inside and take a look.
This house has been beautifully renovated. The lounge space is bright and so spacious. Internal access from the single garage, second access door to the backyard. You have laundry, second toilet and even more storage space downstairs. Renovated kitchen, stainless steel appliances. This kitchen is beautiful and it looks straight out to the backyard. Entertainers, you will absolutely love this deck. It is ginormous. It's undercover, it has light, and it is perfect for those summer nights.
Welcome to the top level. 3 bedrooms, really well set out. Great renovated bathroom. You've got the main bedroom that you could be lying in bed looking out to a bay view, and the balcony out there is sensational. At the moment, bedroom 3 is set up as an office with one of the best views around. It's very, very cool. This is an outstanding property with some amazing features, like this large deck and the surprising view that you get from the top here. It is gorgeous. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself or the amazing Shaylee a call anytime.
And come and enjoy this amazing view with us.